beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is Veronica and you're watching Beauty's Crown. So friends, in today's video I'm going to show you a home remedy which will gonna help you in getting crystal clear all white teeth, and this is especially for smokers. If you are a chain smoker, if you smoke a lot, and even if you are a non-smoker, then this home remedy will gonna work amazingly to all those people who are having yellowish teeth and want white teeth. So this is something which is super good. I tried it on myself and it worked amazingly for me. So I decided to show this video for you guys. So beauties, so friends, let's get started. So yes, this is my home remedy which I made. This is something which will gonna give you a effective result, which is, I'm sure about this, that yes, after using this home remedy you will see your yellowish teeth turning into white. And this home remedy includes coconut oil. Coconut oil is amazing for your teeth. Even if you are doing oil pulling every morning, then you are going to get healthy gums and good white teeth. So if you're not doing that also, anyways, this home remedy having coconut oil, toothpaste, any toothpaste you can use, any toothpaste which is available at your home, at your bathroom, and the third main important thing is baking soda. So guys, there is one misconception about baking soda, that it will gonna ruin your teeth. No, it doesn't do that. If you are using it frequently, if you're using it regularly, then only you are going to get that, then only you are going to ruin your teeth. Otherwise, baking soda is amazing. If you're using it in a very small quantity, this will not gonna ruin your teeth, not gonna give you a bad effect, it will not gonna ruin your teeth. So beauties, this home remedy includes all these three things, and these three things are really amazing. So before going any further, before showing you how to use it, let me show you first of all how you have to make this home remedy. So it's a demo time. So here I took my toothbrush and this remedy in a bowl. Now I'm going to take a little amount of it and I'm going to brush my teeth with this. Just taking it like this. So here I'm back. Beauties, this home remedy is really amazing. You know what? Coconut oil is so good for your gums, for your teeth, for teeth whitening, and this is something which is like too good. I don't know, after using this home remedy I always feel so fresh and it just made my mouth super good. And you know what beauties, baking soda only harm you if you are going to mix it with lemon. Otherwise baking soda is so good, it will wanna kill your bacteria also. So I just love using baking soda and it's really amazing. So beauty, just go give it a try. And one more thing, you have to use this only once a week, and in just one wash, in just using it for the first time, you're going to see the result, and this is really good. So beauties, just go give it a try. Don't forget to comment in the comment section if you have any queries regarding this home remedy. Just comment it, and if you want to make a video on a particular topic, I will gonna do that for you guys. So beauties, follow me on Instagram, please subscribe my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye bye, and I love you so much.